Starting your crypto journey with your first $1,000? That's exciting, but also a little overwhelming. With thousands of coins out there, it's hard to know where to start or how to spread your investment wisely. The good news? You don't need to guess. In this video, we'll show you a simple 3-tier strategy to diversify your first $1,000 in crypto, one that balances stability, growth, and opportunity. Let's break it down. Tier 1 is your foundation, the reliable assets that hold your portfolio steady. For most investors, that means putting around 50% of your budget, or $500, into established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the blue chips of crypto. They've proven themselves over time, have massive adoption, and tend to lead the market's direction. Bitcoin represents digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum powers decentralized apps and smart contracts that make Web3 possible. Together, they give your portfolio both security and strength, the kind you'll need as the rest of your investments take shape. Next is Tier 2, your growth layer. Here's where you allocate about 30% or $300 into promising altcoins with strong fundamentals. These could be projects focused on things like scaling such as Polygon and Avalanche, decentralized finance like Chainlink and Aave, or Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism. The key here is utility. Look for coins that solve real problems, have active development, and strong communities behind them. These projects can deliver higher returns than Bitcoin or Ethereum, but they also carry higher risk. That's why they only make up the middle portion of your portfolio. And finally, Tier 3, which is your experimental edge. This is where you can put the remaining 20% or about $200 into newer or more speculative projects. Maybe it's a trending Layer 1 network, an AI token, or something in gaming and metaverse spaces. These assets are riskier, but they also offer the potential for massive upside if they succeed. Think of this tier as your innovation lab, small bets that could grow into big wins over time. And just remember, never invest more here than you're willing to lose. And there you have it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Coinmama, and explore our channel for more crypto tips, guides, and insights.